Good day. So today we're going to discuss about WPS, which is Welding Procedure Specification. So what is Welding Procedure Specification, or WPS? It is the formal written documents describing welding procedures which provides direction to the welder or operators for making sound and quality production welds as per the code's requirements. Okay, so first we have the basic information. It includes the company name, by or who made this WPS, the welding procedure specification number, the date, and then the supporting PQR. So for this one, for this WPS, we use pre-qualified. Pre-qualified, it means that it's already proven. The materials that we use, the joint design, the electrodes, had been proven for so many years. Okay, so the revision number, welding process that we use for this WPS, we use SMAW or shielded metal arc welding. Types, manual. Okay, next is the base metal details. So for this one, we see the grade, group number. For this one, he used group number up to group number 2. Okay, specification type and grade, he used ASTM A36 or equivalent material. The base metal group 3.0 mm up to 24.0 mm. Deposited weld metal 12 mm. A pipe diameter range 600 mm diameter and over. Okay, so fillet all. Next is the joint design or joint details. So the joint design that he used is butt weld. U, it means unlimited. 2 is for single B. Okay, so B-U2. Backing, yes, we use backing. What types of backing? Weld metal. Okay, so the joint design drawing is in page 3. Later on, we will discuss about that one after we go to that page. Next is the pillar metals details. Okay, so the F number for this one, they use 4. So the low hydrogen electrodes belong for this group. A number 1, spec number A5.1, which is specification for carbon steel electrodes for shielded metal arc welding. Okay. AWS number or class E7018. Size of pillar metals 2.5 mm diameter and then 3.2 mm diameter. Okay, so electrode plugs, trade name, consumable insert also belong to this pillar metal details. Okay, next we go to the second page of this WPS. We have the positions. So the position of group is 3G, and then welding progression is up. It means we do welding vertical up. Okay, so precision fillet all. Okay, so the range. So post-weld heat treatment, it includes temperature range, time range, heating range. Okay, then the preheat, okay, includes the preheat temp, interpass temperature, preheat maintenance. Okay, so and the gases also belong shielding, trailing, and backing. But for this WPS, we don't need that one because we use SMAW. Next is the technique. Stringer or weave bit, yes, we use both of them. So the maximum width of the weave is 3 times electrode diameter size. Okay. So initial and interface cleaning, we use grinding and brushing. So every time we do welding, you need to do grind and brushing to make it clean. Okay. Method of back gouging, grinding. Okay. Selection none. The tube to work distance none. Multiple or single pass. For this one, we use multiple. And then multiple or single electrodes, single. Okay, so includes also the travel speed, pinning, none other. Okay, so next is the electrical characteristic. Okay, so current. So current type AC or DC, we use DC or direct current. The polarity is reverse polarity. Amp range, it belongs also the amp range. Okay, so the volts, tungsten electrode size, mode of metal transfer, this is for GMAW, okay, G tau, and this is GMAW. Electrode wire speed, range for GMAW and FCAW. Okay, next is the welding parameters. Okay, so it includes the weld layer, okay, from root pass, hot pass, field pass, cutting up to back weld. Okay, the process that we use, all of them of course MAW. Classification of pillar metal, 7 to 18, we use 7 to 18 with it has diameter from 2.5 diameter up to or 3.2 mm diameter. Okay, so the current, the polarity, DCRP, which is direct current reverse polarity. It has also the amperage range, volt range. Okay, and then also the travel speed. Okay, then lastly we go to the third page for this WPS for the joint design. Okay, so this is the drawing, the joint design. So as you can see, the welding symbols, it has a back gouge. Okay, so it means that we need to gouge it by using the grinder and then do welding for it. Okay, so as you can see here, the process, the joint design, okay, and then the details for the root opening, root face, okay, groove angle is here in the third page.